I've spotted a deer over here, and I sat down so he wouldn't be scared. I placed some food here for him, but he's still cautious of me. And now he's just sitting there looking in the opposite direction with his tail showing. I'm not sure if you can see him there. That's his tail right to the left of the sign here. Now we try walking very slowly towards him, but it's very like, okay, he's still there. He's still there. He sees me now. He's too afraid. Now a vehicle is coming this way. But he's still too afraid to come. He's scanning me, he's observing me. He wants to come, he sees the food, probably smells it, but he's still too afraid to come near me. Very cautious. He's not sure if it's a trap or not. I'm not sure. I think I might be trying to just lure him in. I'll try. He's beginning to walk closer now. He realizes not a threat to him. He's wondering if he should come. He wants to. He wants to come near. He sees the food now. We'll try lying down. See if I appear to be less of a threat now. He's still very cautious. I think he's waiting for me to leave. He doesn't really want to come close to me, which is understandable. I'm gonna try sitting up now, very slowly. I'm gonna try and act very weak. He doesn't suspect it, doesn't see me as a potential threat. Beginning to flee now. Well, it just made a noise. It's calling out to the other deer. So I'm not sure if I'm a threat. Consider me trying to. I'm gonna walk away. Again, walking away. So it does not see me as a threat. It's beginning to walk backwards. I'm gonna try following him in the woods. The food is here. I'm taking a cookie. See if I can't lure him in. In these woods, I'd imagine in these tracks here, there's no way he ran down that slope. I don't believe so. He must have ran through here. I'm invading person's yard. This likely could have been the route to which the deer took. I'm not sure. Not entirely sure where the deer ran off to. Ran down that hill. It's quite amazing.